Hi everyone. Uh, Today I am going to show you a very quick tips hack actually to improve your English. So let's have a look how exactly we can do that. So you go to your web browser. In the web browser there is you need to go to app called MS Word Online. Once you go there, MS Word Online, you need to log in with your credential, and this will actually help you a lot to improve your English in many ways. So let's have a look how exactly it can support you. Let it load. Okay, it will take some time. You log in with your credential of Microsoft account. Okay, so just I'm logging in, and okay, so I'm not keeping it sign in and not saving the password. I cancelled it. So these are the pages are there. So I'm just opening one of the document. First of all, what is the advantage here is you no need to have a premium account in order to utilize these features. Anybody can use this particular features, और ये बहुत ही आसान है. आप देख सकते हैं ये वर्ड फाइल खुल गया है. चलिए मैं आपको एक जस्ट जेनरिक एक पेज ओपन करके कुछ डेटा यहाँ रीड करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो आई एम गेइंग अबाउट Python programming something. I just need some text. Okay, so I'm getting this particular text. I'll just copy this text. I will highlight how exactly you can read any article, blog, paper, or you can listen them. When it is a very large file, then you can actually listen them. So copied it and pasted it here. You can import that text here. Once you import it, click at the home page and then go to view, and then there is an option called immersive reader. The moment you click on immersive reader, it will open in a different format altogether, the entire text. Now what this does is it actually translates this entire text into a different format through which you can read them very easily. So there are certain settings are there. I'll explain you those settings very quickly. सो यहाँ पे ये फर्स्ट वाला सेटिंग्स क्या है, आप इसका फॉर्मेट चेंज कर सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट टाइप चेंज कर सकते हैं, साइज़ चेंज कर सकते हैं टेक्स्ट का. देन यहाँ इंक्रीज स्पेसिंग, आप अगर स्पेस बढ़ाना चाहते हैं यू कैन एनेबल इट. देन किस तरह का फॉन्ट चाहते हैं आप उसको एनेबल कर सकते हैं. बैकग्राउंड कलर क्या होना चाहिए उसको आप उसको एम्ब्रेस कर सकते हैं, एनेबल कर सकते हैं. एंड सोर्स फॉर्मेटिंग, जैसा फॉर्मेट में मैंने सोर्स किया उसी फॉर्मेट में दिखा रहा है इसको, तो ये भी मैं एनेबल कर सकता हूँ. दिस इज़ ऑन द फॉर्मेटिंग साइड. बेस्ट है ये वाला पॉइंट. दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट हैव इट विल हाईलाइट यू द syllables. So if I enable it, it is actually, you can see it is highlighting the syllable right away. It will help you to first of all factor the spellings, as well as it will help you to improve the pronunciation. Now if I uncheck it, it will become normal the way it is. Now you can see I have highlighted the verb is getting highlighted in red color. Other information I can highlight, let's say noun will be in purple color, it will highlight. Verb will be highlighted in red color. I wanted to observe in my paragraph what are the adjective has been used, so I can actually find out those adjective. From that I can find out the adverb from there. I can find out the label which is used. So like this it helps me in a better way to find out what kind of word it has been used in the sentence, correct? So I can actually find out and read those right away. Now if I go back here, the last option is how the text should look like. So there is an option called focus. So right now see, this is one pattern. If I click on focus in one line item, whichever line item it will read it out, that line item it will actually highlight that what line item it is reading, correct? If last 3, so it will highlight 3 line item. You can see if you click on this, it will highlight the 5 line item, but I prefer on first 1 line item which I am reading. Actually it gives more clarity and it helps me to focus to read that particular line right away. So I selected it here, and I can select the language also from here, whichever language I want to translate. This I haven't experimented too much, but rest all features I have used. It's really good. Other option is that if you go to this option, you can actually change the male or female voice, and you can speed up the voice as well. So I listen in 1.75, which is very natural to me now. So if I go back here and I just click on play, So as you can see, it is reading it out. So imagine you have a big paper or any kind of report which you need to go through. You can actually listen it through while traveling, while walking, so that you will at least understand the high level of that particular document. And also, in not only that, not high level, when you of course listen that particular information, you can interpret well, and you can get through that in detail, okay, in a lesser time. So this actually a very good hack, who read a lot of books or paper or articles. It is really good way to utilize these features. And not only that, which I like most is that it highlights it gives me focus, it helps me to focus on those line item and go through line by line. So it actually improve my speed reading capability as well. I hope you like this, and if you like it, please do share with others. Thanks.